In the lap of high mountains, with the snow-fed rivers flow like tears, lies a valley that carries a heavy silence. This is the land of Kashmir. Today the world turns a page, but here's the calendar is still marked with a stain. October 27th. Across the continent, the Kashmir diaspora lowered its flag for Black Day, a solemn remembrance of a broken promise, a shadow that first fell 78 years ago. It is the anniversary of a long night that still seeks its dawn. From the heart of that enduring silence, our voice now rises. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference, the collective conscience of the people, they stand today, not with words, but with an urgent appeal to the assembly of the world. They speak of an unbroken chain of years, 7 decades and more, a span of time defined by an old occupation that holds the soil captive. They insist that their struggle is a sacred yearning for freedom, a vital spirit that no military might can truly crush or silence. The leaders trace the wound back to its origin, the initial military aggression of 1947, the moment when the blueprint of peace was first torn. But they hold up a binding scroll, signed in the days of early hope, the United Nations Security Council resolution. These resolutions are the world's own war, a clear, unambiguous call for a free and impartial plebiscite, right to choose one's own destiny, agreed upon the global powers and even early Indian leaders. Yet, this fundamental promise remains a star that has never been allowed to fully shine upon the valley. They sound a powerful warning. The unsettled fate of Kashmir is a splinter embedded in the heart of South Asia, perpetually threatening to ignite the horizon. This wound is the constant source of dangerous confrontation, ensuring regional peace still remains elusive and fragile. It is high time. Recognize the depth of this long night, step forward, settle this dispute not with the calculus of power, but with the pen of international justice, honoring the UN's own decree, and most importantly, the true aspirations of the Kashmiri people.